friends, my name is Pratibha Dwivedi. I am working as assistant professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. I am here to present the video lecture on fluorescence microscopy on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Now at first, what are fluorescence molecules? Fluorescence molecules are those substances that absorb the light of short wavelength and emit the light of longer wavelength. For example, a molecule absorb the UV light and emit the blue light. These molecules are known as fluorescence molecules. The fluorescence microscopy is mainly based on the second light source, as we use a dichroic mirror to reflect the light from UV source back to the light source. This is known as second light source. There are many kinds of fluorochromes are present in our science. For example, acridine orange, which is used to fluorochrome dye, which is used as fluorochrome dye for DNA and RNA staining. At low concentration, the acridine orange dye the DNA the green, and while at higher concentration it stain the RNA as orange color. So at lower concentration, when a eukaryotic cell is stained with acridine orange, the nuclei will be stained green color in the background of dark. While when the eukaryotic cell is stained with high concentration of acridine orange, the cytoplasm will show the orange color and nuclei will show no color. In fluorescent microscopy, we generally use as xenon arc lamp or mercury lamp as the light source for the incidence of shorter wavelength light. We use the light shorter wavelength light moves to excitation filter, which filter the desired light wavelength of light to the dichroic mirror. Dichroic mirror is used to reflect the light towards the objective lens through the specimen. Where the light moves, the emitted light from specimen moves through objective lens and dichroic mirror to the barrier filter. Barrier filter allows the magnification of emitted light of the desired wavelength, and the emitted light can be seen by eyepiece. So for this microscopy, we can use to see some components which cannot be stained by stainable dye, which is used in our general biology system. This is the fluorescent microscopy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this YouTube channel.